Hello guys, in this video I will show how to adjust header and footer margin in Microsoft Word. So double click on this header area. So header will be activated. Here you can increase or decrease header and footer margin. Like 4 centimeter, click on OK. And for footer margin 4 centimeter, then click on enter and click anyway. And once you change height for this header and footer, you can increase or decrease from here. Then file and print. We can see now this particular header height margin from top. Also you can change from footer. So make like this. Now click in this between or close the header and footer. Now try to print. So we can see now different size for header and footer, and we can see this different size of margin. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.